Jai Gurudev, dear students. Children, today is your GK class. So first of all, I want to tell you about the reduced syllabus of GK. You know children, here are total 7 units. You know that unit number 1, 2, 3, this 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay. So from all these 7 units, this year, you know that because of COVID-19 pandemic, your every subject syllabus has been reduced. So GK also, we have reduced these 2 units. Means you have to study this year only unit number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, 6 and 7 will not come in your syllabus. This year we put cross on unit number 6 and unit number 7. In the same way you also mark in your book so that you will not be confused afterwards. So again I am repeating that unit number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 you have to study this year. Means total 5 units are there in your syllabus. This year we will not study unit number 6 and 7. So put cross on these 2 units. Okay. So children, last time we have read or you have completed 2 pages of unit number 2. So let's see. See this one. This I have explained you last class, and this page language and literature we have done, and last time word boosters also we have completed. In these both pages you have written these blanks also. So today model test paper 2 we will study. Okay, so in this page also most of the questions are there related to the previous part. Means what we have learnt in unit number 2, that we will study here. So it is just to revise, or we can say recall the unit number 2. So let's study model test paper 2. Name the books of the following authors. So here children, you see that names are written here. 10 names are written here about different authors. Okay, and you have to write name of their books. Means what or which books they have written. So first is APJ Abdul Kalam. What book he has written? Wings of Fire. Second is Catherine Mayo, Mother India. This writer has written book Mother India. So third is Charles Darwin. His book is Origin of Species. Fourth is Shiv Khera, and his book name is You Can Win. Fifth one is Aravind Adiga. Name of the book is The White Tiger. Sixth one is Amitav Ghosh, and he wrote book Sea of Poppies. Seventh one is Arinandam Chaudhary. So his book name is Count Your Chickens Before They Hatch. Eighth is Mulk Raj Anand. His book name is The Untouchable. And ninth is Vikram Seth. Vikram Seth wrote a book, A Suitable Boy. And 10th is Shiv Khera. You know, children, we have studied his previous name also, means Shiv Khera. He wrote here also one book we have seen here. Shiv Khera has written You Can Win book also, and here second book name is also given, You Can Achieve More. So two books are there and you have to learn both the names. So if his name come in test, then you can write any one name from these two. So next are the right, true or false. First is stripes is a pattern on the body of zebras and tigers. Yes, it is true. You know that on zebra and tiger stripes are there. And second is lizard, a small creature can poison you with its sting. You all know lizard, that it has poison in its body but it never sting. You know that it only move here there around us to catch the insects. So it is false. True. This third one is a large group of animals that moves together is called a herd. Yes, you know that in junior classes also you have studied, and in English also in collective nouns you must have studied this word herd. Means when collection of something is there, that thing we means that word we use as a collective noun. So herd is a collective noun of for the large group of animals. And fourth is the adjective discharge means the opposite of free. It is false. Okay, discharge doesn't mean the opposite of free. And fifth one is cruelty is the noun form of cruel. Yes, it is true. Means cruel, when we convert it in a noun form, then it is cruelty. So these are the true or false of model test paper number 2.